Croeso nôl, bobol. Diolch am eich cwmni. Welcome back, folks. Thanks for your company. Rheoli, amser, sgrin yn anodd I rieni yn ystod gwyliau'r haf. Managing screen time is difficult for parents during summer holidays. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif pedwar deg naw. Series 4 and episode number 349. Beibl A Rhaw. Beibl and Spade. Yes, so heddiw dydd Sul, ail o Awst, 2026. Today is Sunday, the 2nd of August, 2026. Ac mae hi'n 1 munud wedi 11 o hwyr. Ac mae hi'n 1 funud wedi 11 o hwyr. And it is 1 minute past 11 p.m. And the words today, the episode today is Beibl A Rhaw, from a saying about the people of Rheoli. Beibl A Rhaw I bobol A Rhaw. A Bible and a spade for the people of Rheoli because of the high volume of miners that were here and high number of chapels and how many people were converted to Christianity during the revival about 1904, 1905. So words today, Beibl is Bible, Rhaw is spade or shovel, targedu is target as a verb, gemau is the nasal mutation of gemau, games. Gymanwlad. Is that how you pronounce it? Come on. Gymanwlad. Soft mutation of cymanwlad. Commonwealth. Oh yeah, cymanwlad. Yeah, okay. Trenau, trains, plural of train. Chas newydd. Newport, aspirate mutation of Cas newydd. Gestyll, castles. Soft mutation of Cestyll. Bentre, village, soft mutation of Pentref, or Pentre, not the F sound off, which is a V in Welsh, obviously. Haearn is iron. Iron as an ore, as a metal, but iron also as the thing that you iron your clothes with. Haearn. Stefod, but the action of ironing is smoother when you're ironing your clothes, isn't it? We're using a haearn. Stefod is Eisteddfod, it's a shorter version of Eisteddfod. Cyfrif is count. Aspirate mutation of cyfrif. Cadwch is keep, command form or imperative of cadw. It could be save as well. Keep, save. Cadw, cadwch. Atsi is from at, means for the purpose of, or to. And it's to her or it, or for her or it, because it's an inflected preposition for the third person singular feminine, for her, basically. Glock, so if you're saying this is for her, or give this to her, I'm going to her, you mean min dati, I'm going to her. Glock is clock, soft mutation of clock. Shock, S-H-O-C, is a way of saying shock in English. Gyfeillgar, friendly, soft mutation of cyfeillgar. Dillian, owl, soft mutation of tullian. Phoenix is phoenix. Vomit is moment, soft mutation of moment. Lost where I was. Torfave, throngs or crowds, plural torf. Cholli, lose, miss, aspirate mutation of colli. Furnace, furnace. One way of spelling it. usual games, and on to the news. We have pobl ifanc mewn balaclavas yn targedu defnyddwyr llwybr taith taf. Young people in balaclavas targeting taith taf path users. So presumably taith taf is someone near the river Tav. Tav. Cyfres I creu hanes wrth ennill pedwar medal aur yng ngemau'r Gymylad. A Welshman makes history by winning 4 gold medals at the Commonwealth Games. Rhai trenau rhwng Caerdydd a Chasnewydd ddim yn rhedeg yn sgil tân. Some trains between Cardiff and Newport not running due to fire. Oedd ein brilliant, super furry animals yn dychwelyd i'r Eisteddfod. It was brilliant. Super furry animals returned to the Eisteddfod. O gestyll I bentref oes ei haearn. O gestyll I bentref oes haearn. Lle ymweld yn ardal y Steddfod. From castles to an Iron Age village where to visit in the Steddfod area. Because the Steddfod is in Sir Benfro, is that right? It's Ceredigion, is it? I don't know what I'm saying, hang on. Right, first time, Sir Benfro, Pembrokeshire. I thought it was right, people are travelling there. So. Yes, and I'm not going, I'm jealous, but never mind. Enjoy it, everyone. So there's the news. And that's some of the news items. Lots of the news items are around that at the moment. The song today, the words are these. It's about me coming to Rhos, Llanelli, Ponciau, this area. There it is. Dyma stori amdano fi, ond gan ddechrau gyda rhif. Beth yw rhif? 1, 2, 3. Gadwch un syml dal at ti. This is a story about me, but starting with a number. What is the number? 1, 2, 3. Keep it simple. Keep at it. O des I Gymru yn y flwyddyn 83 ar y parc o dyma ni, Cylcho Gerrig o BC. Oh, I came to Wales in the year 83 on the park. Here we are, a circle of stones. What's happening? Glywais I gloc tŵr gerllaw. Gefais I sioc am alaw. Ding dong, bob quarter hour. Dyna stewt Beibl A Rhaw. I heard a clock, a tower nearby. I was shocked. What a tune. Ding dong, every quarter hour. That's the Miners' Institute. Beibl and Spade. And then beth yw sticker ar y car, tafod draig gyfeichgar, y gair strit on y stryd, y wers gyntaf ar yr un pryd. And that's, what is the sticker on the car? Dragon's tongue, friendly. The word strit instead of stryd. The first lesson at the same time. Yn y ros bachgen Jaco, tan y nos bachgen Jaco. O gwmpas ros o'r bore, tan y nos, tan y fori. And that's in ros Jaco boy, until the night Jaco boy. Around ros from the morning, until the night, until tomorrow. And here's the song, bye bye. Dyma stori amdano fi, ond gan ddechrau gyda rhif. Beth yw rhif? 1, 2, 3. Cadwch un syml dal at ti. O des I Gymru yn y flwyddyn 83 ar y parc o dyma ni, Cylcho Gerrig o BC. Yn y ros bachgen Jaco, tan y nos bachgen gafas ti sioc am a law. Ding dong bod water awr. Dyna stew, Beibl A Rhaw. Beth yw sticker ar y car. Tafod drag, eich gar. Yr gael strit yn y stryd. Y wers gyntaf ar yr un pryd. Ar yr un pryd. Ros, bach yn jacw, tan y nos, bach yn jacw, gwmpas ros, o'r bore, tan y nos, tan y fore, yn y nos, bach yn jacw, tan y nos, bach yn jacw, gwmpas ros, o'r bore, tan y nos, tan y fore. Yn y ros, bach yn jacw, tan y nos, bach yn jacw, gwmpas ros, o'r bore, tan y nos, tan y fore, yn y nos, bach yn jacw, tan y nos, bach yn jacw, gwmpas ros, o'r bore, tan y nos, tan y fore. Ros I cloc, tŵr o'r llaw, gafas ti sioc am a law. Ding dong bod water awr. Dyna stew, Beibl A Rhaw. Beth yw sticker ar y car. Tafod drag, eich gar. Yr gael strit yn y stryd. Y wers gyntaf ar yr un pryd.